Hello everyone. So thank you for looking at this video. I just wanted to go over a few things about how to do an antivirus scan on your Windows 11 computer. First of all, to start off with, most people probably do or don't realize Windows 11 ships with a free antivirus scanning software program. So we'll go over where to find it and how to use it starting now. So what you do is you come down to your Windows Start button and you just left click on it. And then from here you go to where it says Settings and left click on that. And then from there you come all the way over here on the left hand side, go down to the bottom, left click on Windows Update. Alright. And then from there you can go again to the left hand side and click on Privacy and Security. Left click that. And then from Privacy and Security you go to Windows Security, you left click on that. And then you'll see Virus and Threat Protection. So you left click on that. Okay, now this was installed by my organization. Don't worry about this. What you want to do is you want to scroll down and come to where it says Current Threats. This is where you can do a personal scan on your computer. And in order to do that, if you want to do a quick scan, you left click on this button right here. Left click on quick scan and it'll go ahead and do a quick scan for you. It should take a few moments. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel it. If you wanted to do a full scan, because the quick scan does not scan your whole computer, okay, it just scans the most important parts. If you want to do a full scan, you'll need to come down here to where it says Scan Options, left click that, and then you'll see the options here. You can do a quick scan, you can do a full scan, you can do a custom scan, and then this is, you can do an offline scan. I suggest doing an online scan, either quick scan or full scan. All right. Now, keep in mind, the quick scan shouldn't take that long. It just depends upon your drive and what is scanning. But the full scan may take a long time. If you've got anything past 500 gigabytes, if you've got something like 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, you do a full scan, that's going to take all day. So I suggest that if you do a full scan, you do this at night when you don't use the computer, when you're going to sleep. You do a full scan, it should be over with by the morning. How long it's going to take, like I said, I can't tell you because I don't know how big your hard drive is. But if it's a big hard drive, it's going to take a while, okay, possibly all night. Anyway, that's how you do a hard drive, or that's how you do a scan of your hard drive of your whole computer. So, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys looking at this video, and you have a good day.